Ok, buen día. Como les dije en clase que iba a hacer un video sobre las respuestas de la actividad que empezamos en clase y solo hicimos números 1, 2 y 3, entonces no voy a pasar tiempo explicándoles, pero les voy a mostrar las respuestas otra vez. Después voy a continuar con número 4 hasta 10 con algunas explicaciones. ¿Okay? Vamos a ver, primero las instrucciones. Ustedes ya saben esto, es que es el modelo y las instrucciones que están en su papel. Y las respuestas que tenemos, que para el número 1, con quiere conocer alguno de nuestros productos, dijimos en clase que no quiero conocer ninguno o no quiero conocer ninguno de sus productos. Okay? Ninguno can stand alone as that pronoun that would replace ninguno de sus productos. So it's not that it's incorrect, the second choice, but it's just not necessary for that repetition when we can just answer it with no quiero conocer ninguno. ¿Usted siempre se maquilla? We mentioned in class, no, nunca me maquillo. This would probably be the more common way. You'll see that the siempre comes before the verb in the question, and in the answer, we can do the same thing with the negative. First, it's a yes-no question, so we want to answer it negatively with no, and then the nunca me maquillo. We could put the nunca at the end, but we would have to add another no. So the first no answers that yes-no part, and then the no me maquillo nunca. Either way is grammatically correct. ¿A usted le gusta algún champú? No me gusta ninguno. No me gusta ningún champú. Again, ninguno is a pronoun, so it takes the place of a noun and its adjective, so it replaces ningún champú. And again, we need the two no's because the first no, it's a yes-no question like most of these are. And so the first part is answering no, and then the second part is answering the not. ¿Desea comprar algunos de estos hermosos espejos? No deseo comprar ninguno. Again, the ninguno can stand alone, replacing ninguno de estos hermosos espejos. So the second response, no deseo comprar ninguno de estos hermosos espejos, is not necessary. It's not incorrect, it's just not necessary. ¿Quieres comprar jabones o quiere comprar toallas? No quiero comprar ni jabón ni toallas. Okay, I realize here that I made a mistake, so let me go ahead and correct that. We really don't, it's not a yes-no question. Sorry, I have to go back and redo all the answers. It's really not a yes-no question, so I apologize. It should only have the one no. ¿Quiere comprar jabones o quiere comprar toallas? We're asking, do you want one or the other? Do you want soap or do you want towels? So I don't want neither soap nor towels. No quiero comprar ni jabón ni toallas. Okay. I apologize for that error. Okay. ¿Usted piensa volver al centro comercial algún día? This is a yes-no question, so no, nunca pienso volver. Or you could say, I'm not sure why it's a capitalized V there, it shouldn't be, but no pienso volver ningún día. Okay, you can use the nunca or you can say ningún día. I would personally say the first one, no, nunca pienso volver. And it's implied volver al centro comercial. I just didn't have to put that there. Okay. ¿Alguien en su familia necesita un champú especial? No, nadie lo necesita. Now you could write no, nadie necesita un champú especial, but why not practice with our direct object pronouns where the lo is replacing un champú especial? ¿Usted desea probar alguna de nuestras cremas de afeitar? No, no deseo probar ninguna. No, no deseo comprar ninguna de sus cremas de afeitar. These are like ones that we saw prior on the other slide, where the ninguna can replace everything. And remember, we hardly ever use the plural form of ningunas or ningunos. It's only when a word in Spanish cannot be formed in the singular. And one word that I always think of is vacaciones. It's always plural. ¿Y no quiere cepillarse los dientes con nuestra nueva pasta de dientes? No, no quiero cepillarme con los dientes con su nueva pasta de dientes. So here, we didn't need another negative expression. We just needed the no in there. And don't forget with the reflexives, we had to change the cepillarse to cepillarme because we're talking about ourselves. So don't forget about that. And finally, a mí no me gusta contestar preguntas. ¿Y a usted? A mí tampoco. No, a mí tampoco. No, tampoco a mí. Really, the first one is the one that most people are going to answer. Me neither. I don't like to answer questions. Do you? Me neither. A mí tampoco. Okay? And so that would be the easiest way. The others are grammatically correct, just probably not used as much. So I hope the explanation of some of these has helped you decide or understand a little bit more, particularly with algún and ningún, alguno and ninguno that you saw a lot of. Okay? If you have any questions, please email me. Ciao.